Lucid dreaming is when you become conscious or aware that you're inside a dream. Once lucid, some people are able to control their actions and change the environment around them. Here's 3 tips to help you bring on a lucid dream. And to help you succeed, remember, no caffeine or alcohol during the evening and stay away from screens for the half hour before bed. The first method is called reality testing. Throughout the day, repeatedly check if you're dreaming by looking for oddities. For example, while the words on a page might move and change while you're reading in a dream, read something twice while awake. And if the words stay as they are, you've confirmed you are awake. When I learned this method, I took great care to watch my knees moving as I climbed stairs. Another I used was to lift my hand and look at my palm. Make a plan, have an intention, a plan to notice your palm while inside the dream to help trigger your awareness, and you will become conscious. In a minute, I'll tell you how that method happened for me. A second method is called wake back to bed. You set an alarm to wake up after 4 to 6 hours of sleep, and then you force yourself to stay awake for 20 to 30 minutes. Keep your mind lightly active, like reading about lucid dreaming, and then go back to sleep with the intention of recognizing that you are dreaming. This technique aims to trick the conscious brain into staying active as you re-enter sleep at a prime REM stage. A third method is called Mnemonic Induction of Lucid Dreams, MILD. As you're falling asleep, repeat a phrase like, "I will know I'm dreaming," and visualize yourself becoming lucid inside the dream you remember. Focus on this intention until you drop off. It primes you to catch the dream state. Be patient. The practice takes time. And as you improve your metacognition and become more mindful about past dreams, the likelihood of a lucid dream will continue to increase. Years ago, I attended a session on lucid dreaming at an IASD conference. The method I used was how I took to lifting my hand to look at my palm many times over a few days, each time making a plan with myself that if I look at my palm while I'm inside a dream, I will become lucid. After a week or so, sure enough, one night I saw my late father sitting across from me at a table. There was something about the vividness of him, and even around him, the background seemed surreal. I immediately lifted my hand to see my palm, and in doing so, I knew instantly that I was lucid. The problem was how in that same moment of my excitement, my father disappeared. I was so disappointed until I suddenly remembered when lucid, you can control your dream. And I set to the task of making him reappear, which he did a moment later. I actually haven't had a lot of lucid dream experiences, but that was my first time, and it will stay with me forever.